Hi everyone. You all wanted a live on my birthday, so finally I have come live, and I just wanted to say I love you guys. Thank you for giving me such amazing wishes and just making my day so blessed. I feel I have the most amazing fans in the world, and they just shower me with so much love and so much appreciation. Thank you so much. Majabeen, Suzanne, hi Majabeen, Armalian Army, Kirti, Zoom TV is live with me as well. Hi Zoom TV, Arman Malik Planet, thank you so much. Thanks for your wishes. Annapurna, Ammar Shahid, thank you. Solanki Shivani, Siddhant Kapoor, thank you. Thanks Sid so much for your wishes. Lots of love. Tanishka Bhandari, Stuti Bhatia. A lot of fans coming in, a lot of hearts coming in on this live session. Hi Shreya. Shreya is my school friend. Mihir Joshi, thank you for your wishes. Srishti, Armalian Army looking tired. Yeah, because I have this stupid cold which is not gone since a few days, and even though it's my birthday, it's not gone, but that's okay. I'm gonna party it up, so all of it will go away tomorrow. Sanskriti, Preeti, Zara, Shweta, thank you guys so much for giving me so much love and just wishing me in such a beautiful way. Arman Malik Planet wishes me again. Thank you so much, Jyoti. Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you, Ankita. Thank you, Rose. Arman Amal World. Monica, Rana, Vidya. Thank you, Vidya. Thank you, Shwetu. Shooting Star. Happy birthday, Arman. Thank you, Shooting Star. Ayu, Hina. A lot of my fans are live with me right now. So a lot of people are already coming in with their gifts and cakes. Armalian Army, get well soon. Yes, I will. Tonight I'll get well. Don't worry. When I party hard enough, I'll get well. Known stranger, you look so cute. Thank you. Lots of love. Siddhant Kapoor, bro, handsome kidhar hai? Handsome is actually gone for his walk down, so no one disturbs him when that happens. He's gone for his walk, and then after that he'll go to the car, and his car drive will happen. All that needs to happen. He's the star. Ishu, Ria, Mohammed. So 6,800 people are live with me right now, and it's amazing how people from all over the world are live with me on my birthday. Thank you, Utkarsh. रिद्धि, आपका ड्रीम क्या है? एक्चुअली मेरे बहुत सारे ड्रीम्स थे जो काफी फुलफिल भी हो गए हैं. थोड़े ड्रीम्स थे जो मैंने कभी सोचे ही नहीं थे. I never dreamt about them. That also happened. So I think I'm really blessed and grateful to God for whatever has happened with me. And आप लोगों का प्यार है. I think that's the most important thing. And anything is possible with your love. प्रथम, आज मेरा दिन बन जाएगा अगर आप नेम ले दोगे. हाय प्रथम 0008, आपका नाम ले लिया मैंने, एंड अभी विश तो कर दो. Suraj Pancholi, Star Boy, you're the star, man. I can't wait for time to dance. I think that's the name of the movie, if I'm not wrong. Suraj is coming out of the second movie, and I'm super excited. He's the first person that I feel was my first hero. मैं हूँ hero तेरा. Thank you, Suraj. I remember 3 or 4 years back, you were there. We were celebrating my birthday together. Lots of love to you, and keep killing it in London, and have a great show. Sandeep Gupta, Arman Amal World, Pulkit Prajapati, Naz, Deepika. Thank you, Deepika. Amisha Pawar, Devnath. Lot of fans coming in and wishing me. So I do this. I do a live session every birthday, and it makes me feel close to my fans. And I just wish I could give a group hug to all of you guys. You all have been my supporters right from the beginning, and I promise you this year is going to be amazing. A lot of new songs are coming out. A single is due, I think next month. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be very different from what I've done, and I'm super excited for that. Amal's composed it, and there's an actor featuring on the song, which I'm not going to mention who that person is, but it's going to be very exciting. Arman Amal World, did you cut your cake? Yes, I've cut multiple cakes. I've cut one in the morning, one mid-morning, एक दोपहर को काट लिया, फिर अभी इवनिंग में I just cut with my दादी and my नानी, and रात को एक और केक आ रहा है, वो भी I'll have to cut. It's a lot of cakes. I don't know how I will finish them. They're going to be stored in my fridge, and चुपके से मेरा मतलब मैं डाइट पे तो रहना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन not on my birthday. I'm going to be having all the cake, finishing it all up. थोड़ा रह जाएगा, वो पूरे हफ्ते में थोड़ा थोड़ा शाम को लेते रहूंगा मैं. सुजॉय, तुम ही यारो बंगाली सॉन्ग करो. बहुत जल्दी एक बंगाली गाना आ रहा है. I just recorded a song for Jeet Ganguly. It's an amazing song and one of my personal favorites. मैं जब से मुझे एक रफ वर्जन मिला है, रफ स्क्रैच वर्जन मिला है उस गाने का, I've been listening only to that song. It's a beautiful song, and I'm sure that even Hindi listeners would really love that Bengali song. अर्पिता नागर नायक, आपका दिन कैसा था? मेरा दिन बहुत अच्छा था. मैं एक्चुअली काफी सोया आज because I was very tired, and the thing is that for making music you need to stay awake late hours of the night. You don't need to, but I think me and Amal overdo it. We always stay up late at night, but that's when our creative bug comes about. And so because of consecutive nights of late sleeping, I've lost track कि कब सोया कब नहीं सोया मैं. तो आज पूरा दिन I've just been sleeping, so I might have missed some of your guys' messages, but lots of love. Pooja, happy birthday Arman, take care. Thank you Pooja. Yes, I will take care. लेकिन आज तो मस्ती करनी है. आज I will go all out and I'm going to be partying. From tomorrow onwards, I'm going to take care and sleep on time. As everyone keeps telling me I should sleep on time. Alicia Devina Music, I love your voice. Thank you Alicia. I'm just going to go and get ready for my party now, and I just thought I'll do this quick live with all my fans. So thank you for joining in, and very soon I'll be keeping a dedicated day in the week where I'll be doing an Insta live for all you guys. So see you then, and happy birthday to me. Lots of love. Bye.